How can I visit my friend's island in Animal Crossing without Nintendo Online?
Hey there, Animal Crossing enthusiasts. Ever wondered if you can visit your friend's island without subscribing to Nintendo Online? The answer is yes. In this guide, we will show you how to do it step by step. Let's dive in.
What's the alternative?
The main alternative to using Nintendo Online for island visits is local play. This means both you and your friend need to be in close physical proximity, typically within the same room or building.
How does local play work?
1. Both players should have their Nintendo Switch consoles with their copy of Animal Crossing: New Horizons. 2. Start the game and head to the Dodo Airlines at your island. 3. Speak to Orville at the counter. 4. When prompted, choose I want to fly. 5. Then choose Visit Someone. 6. Choose Local Play. Ensure your friend does the same on their console. 7. One of you will need to open your island for visitors. To do this, they should select Let Visitors In after choosing Local Play. 8. The other player will then see the open island listed. Simply select it, and you'll be on your way.
What are the limitations?
While local play is fantastic, there are some caveats. 1. Both players must be close to each other. This method does not work over long distances. 2. Interference from other devices can sometimes cause connection issues, so make sure you're in a good spot. 3. Both players need to have their console's wireless communication turned on. While Nintendo Online provides a seamless experience for visiting distant friends, local play is an excellent alternative for nearby friends. We hope this guide helps you continue your island adventures with your buddies. Happy playing!